So being the eldest daughter, I took on responsibilities really early and sometimes more than what I was prepared for. Like in these moments, my mother became my silent teacher because उनको देख के किस तरह वो हम सब बहन भाइयों को manage करते थे. And we were a lot of people, like we're 6 बहन भाई and we also have 6 cats and like it's a lot to manage. So unkung's making sure everyone's calm and composed. So that's something that I've really picked up and that struck a chord with me because I feel like working and managing people, interacting with people, I've realized that ये need of care or ये need of attention to detail, ये बहुत important है.
One particular, if I would like to recall here, was that my mother always said to me, and actually she has hammered this to my mind, कि कहीं ऐसा ना हो आपके पास कोई आए, you have a casual conversation with someone या a professional conversation, और वो जब आपके पास से जाए तो he or she might be feeling कि जो तैयब या जिससे भी आपकी बात हुई जाती है, he is कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. That is something which actually helped me a lot throughout my career to build some very good long-lasting relationships with my clients and even with my co-workers as well.
Pick from my mother was the resilience thing. 4 बहनें थे हम लोग. My father had passed away. She was very strong-headed and she had a very far-sighted approach. पहले से चीज़ों को देख लेती थी और पर्पस ड्रिवन एक पूरा मॉडल था घर का और बहुत सारी चीज़ें रेडार पे होती थी. इवन सारा दिन जो हम लोग की सिचुएशंस रहती थी, ओकेजन रहते थे, उसमें आई सॉ हर प्लानिंग.
Learnings तो बहुत सारी हैं, but one thing that I really recall right now is because my mother always says that whenever you are seeing something, so see from the people's point of view. So because people think from multi-dimensional way.
Mother has done in psychology. उन्होंने किया हुआ था अपनी education में, and she has also done some clinical practices as well. I think that is one thing which I have picked from her.
When I started my startup, so I had things in my mind already, not from a very planned platform I would say, but from the lifestyle and from the household that I was living in. एक डॉट से स्टार्ट करना है.
Prior to this learning, I was not a very good listener, due to which I don't understand that why people are coming through. So since I am a researcher, so it really helps me because through focus group, through ethnographies, through consumer connects, you are listening to the consumer and then you are understanding from which angle they are coming from, why they are saying it and what is the context. So it is actually helping me to just join the dots of the consumer. So yeah.
चाइल्डहुड था ज़ाहिर उस वक्त तो एक नफ्सियात या साइकोलॉजी को समझना वो चीज़ थोड़ा सा मुश्किल था ऑफ कोर्स. आगे जाके जो हमने अपनी एजुकेशन कंप्लीट की तो देन वी रियलाइज कि यस दैट वाज द साइकोलॉजी. ऑफ कोर्स वी ऑलवेज inherit something from our parents as well.
So people don't always remember what we have said to them, but they always remember how we have treated them and how we have actually made them feel.
People are really what they seem. Understanding begins when you stop reacting and start seeing. This shift in lens has changed everything in my life.
मार्केट रिसर्च अगर वो आज भी दुनिया में होती तो इतना उनको नहीं समझ आती, लेकिन yes, she had some idea about sales or marketing, so she would think कि I still remember एक दफ़ा she told me कि मेरी बेटी भी मार्केटिंग करती है, तो जो डोर टू डोर DDS के लिए टीम आती थी उनको वो जूस पिलाती थी कि वो भी मार्केटिंग के लिए इतनी जो है वो गलियों फिरती होगी और ख्वार होती होगी.
So thoughtful systems aren't built through rules, they're built through care. And what feels effortless on the surface sometimes comes with real deliberate attention. And the attention that notices the need before it's spoken.